Hello everybody, this is Ali and welcome back to my channel guys. So today guys I get a new and amazing platform to introduce for you, which name is @Panel, my dear friends. So in this video I would like to talk about this project. I'm gonna explain about the crucial points about this project. So this is a platform for sharing links and earning revenue by sharing those links, my dear friends. So in the video I will dive into the crucial points. So but as always, before getting started to the video, I would like to highlight that I'm not financial advisor. That's not financial advice video. Just all the responsibilities up to you investing or not. So just research and invest, all responsibilities up to you. So that's it for the video. Let's dive into the web project. So as you saw on my screen, here's the web page of this project @Panel. So this project has a potential to be very profitable in the future. So here's firstly, let's have a look homepage. An @Panel is equal to as you see USD. So here's there is no anything else to have a look on the homepage section. So let's have a look how to buy this token. So you can buy our @Panel token using the below currency choices to become a part of our project. So the amount of contribute, enter the amount you would like to contribute in order to calculate the amount of tokens that you'll receive. The calculator, here's the calculator shown below, helps to convert the required quantity of tokens into the amount of your selected currency. So you just add the amount of the token that you want to convert. A calculator will calculate it as a USDT. So then click on the make a payment and continue the process to get this token. Here again shown the token sales, and @Panel token price is also shown again. 0.005 USD is equal to 1 @Panel. So here's the token balance section that you can follow your balance, your token balance from there. And here's the referral. You invite your friends and family and received free @Panel. Referral link may be used during the token contribution and the pre-sale and the ICO, my dear friends. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me, to support my channel. And if you find that video beneficial for you, you can share with your friend to give the same benefit to them. So all the links related will be in the description section below. You can have a look, you can get all of them from there. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.